Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about the cryptocurrency world. And of course, let's talk about the king, Bitcoin. Let's take a look at how Bitcoin is performing as of today, May 30th, 2020. Okay, and let us see. I don't know. Let's check if the sentiment overall is really going to move higher. All right, so I am now. So notice we're using tradingview.com for our for our charting tool. And when you type BTC USD, normally it it shows you different options, right? It depends. There's a slight variation in the price depending on which platform you have traded your Bitcoin at. So there's Bitstamp, Coinbase, Bitfinex, Bybit. Okay, so these are the platforms that carry Bitcoin. Okay, so I did not choose anything. I just chose the very first platform here. Okay, but there will just be slight variance. Okay, so if I am to really look at Bitcoin, number one, I'd say there's a big promising future for Bitcoin, especially now that in the period of the quarantine, no one can really transact face to face and use physical money to transact. So everything's happening online. So this is a big opportunity for our cryptocurrency. We can now use. There are a lot of platforms that offer cryptocurrency as a mode of payment, and yes, I'd say while it's true at the moment we're very near our resistance, there's a big possibility that that can also be broken. Okay, and right now I'd say if you really just want to trade, if you want to trade this for trading purposes only, I'd say 10,000. The 10,000 level is our nearest resistance. Okay, and you have a support at the MA20 line. So I'm using a Bollinger Band, just the default settings, where you have the red line over here as our MA20. Okay, and right now that is the nearest resistance. So if you want to engage in Bitcoin, know that just in case, okay, just in case you see some uh, weakness happening here, maybe you can already consider locking in some profit. Otherwise, wait for a possible breakout play, meaning wait for it to start beyond the 10,000 level. Actually, it might even overshoot up to this level because you have a resistance formed right here. Okay, so let's say let's use that as our just to be sure. That's your resistance area. Now this should be your short-term support at the MA20 line. Okay, um, that was supported right here. Used to be a support, used to be a resistance, became a support here. Okay, so that means it strengthens our allegation or our analysis that this indeed is an area of support. Used to be a resistance as well here. So if you want and you want to be conservative, just do range trading, 92.80 being a support, 10,337 being a resistance, and that will give you a an outright gain of around 10%. Otherwise, if it starts to move higher and goes closer to 10,000 level, I suggest just wait for a breakout play, and then that's the time you enter. Otherwise, we're actually very near your support area. So the nearer you are to the 90 or 9,500, no, 9,280 level, that's a much better entry price. Okay, so right now, still doing sideways overall. And that is it for our Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.